tell me one thing more before I go. Hasi, shout out. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, and how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is gone?
Bawal i-mine, akin yan.
Too bad for crying, didn't come to break down. It's just a dream of mine, it's coming to an end. Yung kakagising tapos pinapakantagan. How can I blame you when I build the world around? I hope that one day we'll be more than so much friends. Oh, diba? And I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Oh no, even now and there, then I can take. Say it! Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Know that I've been loving you so long, and how am I supposed to live without you? Scorpio, shout out. How am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is gone? Hey. Ayokong tapusin, ikaw na.
Hoy! Kanina ka pa!
Sige na, ikaw na. Diyan nga muna, kuha muna akong tubig.
Oh, sige. What
Sige.
Kuya! Jay, huwag ka magulo dyan. Ay!
Anong how?
Ako.
Anong hausay?
Ang pansinin yan, nanloloko lang. Eto na.
China all. Sige, ikaw, bakit naman? Ha? Ano ba nagsasabi ni Scorpio dyan?
Magbisaya ako, ikaw ang magbisaya ka din, ha? Yung kinakanta mo,
Ay, yung
maiba.
ano yun?
Atatrik ka.
Atitrika! Atikra?
Yun.
Sige, kantahin mo yun.
Hindi,
sige.
ako iba yung kakantahin ko. Ikaw kumanta nun, hindi ko ka...
Sige, ako sunod ng atikra.
Oh, akin tong isa.
sige.
Alam ko lang.
Kasi ang lahat ay atik lang.
Ay, sana all.
Ay, China all. Sige.
Sana all.
Lakas sa bubus. Parang hindi ko narinig
Ayan.
masyad. Or
Ayan.
parang may problema sa akin dito. Kasi first time ko umakyat kay MC lang. First time lang kasi yun, on the spot. Ano yan? Bisaya ba yan? First time.
Hindi sa'yo ang hikalimtan ka. Hantod karon ako nagpaabot ka. Nga mahibalik ba ang kagahapon ta? Bisan ba huwag ako gikalimtan mo na? Bisan ba malayo ka na kada? Ikaw lang gihapon ang higugmaon. Bisan ba huwag kasakit lang ang maangkon? Basta matibay ka ang tanan akong tuwato. Nakita ko karon ang kahintang mo. Lahing lagyot sa ako pa ang kauban mo. Sa iyang kiliran pagkamalipayon mo ug ako aniya naghandong nga balikod mo. Bisan ba may lain ka na karang, ikaw lang gihapon ang higumaon. Bisan ba ug kasakit lang ang maampon, basta malibay ka ang tanan akong duwato. Hantod karon ako milahon ang gihapon nga mo ako ang panahon na imong balikon.
Shout out 24 million in the house. At sa mga naka-window dyan, pwede kayo pumasok mga kaibigan. Please follow my site. Follow. Huwag lang kayo. Pwede kayo pumasok. Oy.
Huwag kayong umakyat ah.
Bisan pa bisan ba may lain ka na kalis, ikaw lang gihapon ang higumaon. Bisan ba
Bisan pa.
walang maampun, basta malibay ka ang tanan akong duwato. Bisan pa bisan pa
Kadyo.
bisan pa
Hey, balik.
ang tanan akong duwato.
Mas magaling ka eh.
Bisan pa. Tek.
Atek!
Atikra.
Atek, ay, umiyak.
Sige, may request dyan sa baba.
Bilisan nyo, mag 30 minutes lang siya. Yung time niya guys. 30 minutes na, mag-request na kayo dyan.
May request dyan sa baba. Baka makatanggap ako ng pangbaon ko bukas sa ano. Sa eskwela. Hala siya. Uy, Scorpio. Di ko malimutan ang iyong mga larawan, ang iyong mga ako lang. Kahit nasaan ka man, malayo malapit man, ang pag-ibig ko'y iyo lamang. Ika'y pangarap ko sa tuwina, lagi kang laman ng isip. Ikaw ang siyang tibok, yaring dibdib. Kahit na anong mangyari, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. Wala akong ibang ibigin. Lulubong lilitaw ang buwan na taraw, patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging laan lamang sa'yo. Minamahal, minamahal kita. Ikong hinahanap, yakap mo nung sarap, nangungusap. Pag ikaw ay kapiling, nalilimot ang sarili. Sana'y huwag nang matapos ang gabi. Lulubog, lilitaw ang buwan at araw. Patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y magmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging laan lamang sa'yo. Minamahal, minamahal kanya. Lilitaw ang buwan at araw, patuloy pang lalakad ang panahon. Ako'y nagmamahal sa'yo, hindi ito magbabago. Pag-ibig ko'y laging laan lamang sa'yo. Minamahal, minamahal kita. Minamahal, minamahal kita. Bira. Ay, to it is the awesome people. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Salamat. Sabi ko, first time ko umakyat kay MC Bana na kumakanta ng kasi nagtatago ako dati, hindi ako nagpapakita. Kumakanta lang ako nung hindi na walang setup. So first time ngayon, yun ang ibig sabihin, Scorpio.
Oh, first time niya umakyat na na may setup siya.
Oo, kasi
Nakanta
hindi,
lang yan nasa kusina.
hindi
or
ako umakyat talaga. Si MC kasi nag-live ako kanina, sabi niya, kanta tayo sis. O, diretso mamaya. O sige, sige.
Oh, sige, sige.
30 minutes lang ha. Oo, nag-assignment ako ng anak ko, my God. Anak pa more. Sige na, go!
Ito na.
How many minutes are you?
Hanap ka. Antahin mo yung Bisaya, ate ka.
Ate Kra? Sige.
Ay,
Uy, first time ko, no? First time ko umakyat.
first time niya, no? Talaga si Kuya.
Kay MC lang.
Sa akin lang yan umakyat, hindi yan makita sa iba.
Mm-mm. Ate Kra.
If I believe in paradise, I swear I must be there. I swear I must be there right now with you. If I believe in miracles, I know that one is happening to me. But if I don't believe in paradise, and miracles aren't real, someone tell me, what is this feel? I wanna believe it's love design. I wanna believe my
Buksan
heart
sa bibo dyan ng
not
Scorpio, eh.
telling me
Lasing ka siguro,
lies. But with you, I can't deny it. If I believe in paradise, I swear I'm there.
Kaya pala.
If I believe in magic spell, it all would be so clear. A magic spell must have brought you here. If I could see the future,
Saan ka napatato? Sa
I see
itlog mo?
you when
Joke.
we're meant to be. But I don't know any magic, and tomorrow's just a dream, and someday it's real.
Thank you
Tapos
saan?
na. Ikaw na.
Oo. Thank you saan? Sige, this is last song na ako kasi 9 na. Maglaso na ako.
Wala pang 30 minutes. Ay, 1, 2, 3. Tatlo pa lang nakakanta mo, bilang nabilang ko.
Huy, pang-apat na to eh. Pang-apat sabi ko kanina, di ba dalawa? Tapos sabi mo, iapat mo lang. Oh, at least na... sige.
Oh, sabi ni Scorpio, mamaya na daw.
Time to help people cut.
Bahala siya dyan.
Ay, sorry. Maglasang na kayo. Ay,
Wow, may tanong din.
may tanod. May barangay tanod. Maglasang na kayo.
This is probably my last song. I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna use you just to have somebody by my side. And I don't wanna hate you. I don't wanna take you. I don't wanna be the one that cries. And then don't really matter to anyone anymore. But like a fool, I keep losing my place, and I keep seeing you walk through that door. There's a danger in loving somebody's too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't say we're the other. Baby, sometimes love just is enough. Hey, love is not enough. That's right. I can never change you, and I don't wanna blame you. Baby, you don't have to take the phone. And I may have hurt you, but I did not desert you. Baby, I just wanna have it all. It makes it sound like thunder. It makes me feel like the rain. And like a fool, oh, I'll never see the truth. I keep thinking something's gonna change. There's a danger in loving somebody's too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't say who they are. Baby, sometimes love just isn't enough, and there's no way home when it's late at night and you're all alone. And the things that you wanted to say, do you feel you beside me in your bed? And there beside you where I used to lay. Thank you guys, thank you. That's my last song. And there's a danger in loving somebody's too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't say who they are. Baby, sometimes love just isn't enough. Baby, sometimes love just isn't enough. Oh, oh, oh. Yun lang yung kanta na tapos ko. Diba?
Uy, mag-last